So this is the One Executive Suite in Shanghai. So they're called the One Executive Suites, managed by Kempinski. I'll just stick some light on. Oh, okay, there we go. So as you come through the door, you've got like a little kitchen area. So you have a fridge and a microwave, stove, kettle, sink, and then like a little table. And then this sort of living room area with the couch and TV. And then when you move forward, this bit's really cool. I love that bit, but I'll come back to that. This is the bedroom. So I just got here. Really nice, really clean. This feels pretty comfortable. Another TV there. This is a really cute seat up here and place to put your bag. And outside, like the city of Shanghai. So you can see some of the like cool garden areas, kind of like urban garden kind of things. And then all of the city kind of going on outside. It's quite a nice area, really close to People's Park. There's a desk over here as well, so I'll be doing some work because I'm here on a business trip. And then back through here, I like these little features. It's quite airy and feels spacious, but it's a really good use of space. Sink and various things if you like need anything there. Let me see what's in. Hairdryer, yes. Yeah, sometimes they have stuff in there, or they just kind of let you have the storage if you need it. In here is the shower, so there's a really big shower head there, and then the kind of handheld one. If you come through, so that's the kind of shower area here, and there's a mat. And then the bath, definitely having a bath later, so it's really nice, really clean. And there obviously is a blind up there that you can lower, and on that side as well, but it's just really nice to kind of have all of these like windows and light coming in. So yeah, really nice, and obviously through here the toilet slightly hidden. But really good space, really nice to just have areas to kind of relax in as well, because you don't do a huge amount of relaxing when you're on a business trip. We have just been in Beijing and now we're in Shanghai. And it all like feels quite, because there's quite a lot of traffic outside, but as soon as you get in here, really quiet. So it is quite protected from like noise, and so really good to sort of have this nice bedroom area and get some good rest. But yeah, this definitely looks good. The service downstairs was great when we came in. The woman on the check-in desk was really nice. Is going to help us with taxis and different things because we have said that we have appointments. So this is the One Executive Suite managed by Kempinski in Shanghai.